Good day everyone, we are the group 6. For today's performance task, we will be demonstrating 3 variations each of the bird dog and bed bug exercises. These core stability exercises help improve balance, coordination, and strengthen both the abdominal and lower back muscles. Our performance will include a warm-up, the main exercises, and a cool down. Let us begin.
Hi, good day. My name is Geoffrey Labinigay.
I'm Yas Alexander Lawansa.
I'm Rob Janabul. I'm Raymond J. Lumahang.
Standard bird dog. Our first exercise is the standard bird dog. Extend your opposite arm and leg while keeping your back flat. Alternate sides for 30 seconds. Bird dog with elbow to knee crunch. Next is the bird dog with elbow to knee crunch. Extend your arm and leg, then slowly bring them together under your body. This variation engages the core more. Bird dog hold with pulses. Our third bird dog variation is the hold with pulses. Extend the opposite arm and leg, then make small controlled pulses. This builds balance and endurance. Standard dead bug. Now we move on to the standard dead bug. Lie on your back, arms straight up, knees bent at 90 degrees. Lower the opposite arm and leg while keeping your back flat. Dead bug heel taps. Our second dead bug variation is heel taps. Keep your knees bent and gently tap your heels to the floor one at a time, keeping the core engaged. Dead bug arm reach. And lastly, dead bug with arm reach. Keep your legs in tabletop position while alternating arm reaches overhead. Focus on keeping your lower back pressed into the mat. Let's cool down with child's pose to relax the spine and stretch the back. Now let's do a toe touch with gentle pulses to stretch the hamstrings. And finally, deep breathing. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth to relax the body and lower the heart rate. This concludes our performance task. The bird dog and dead bug exercises are effective core stability movement to strengthen the abdominals, improve balance, and help prevent lower back injuries. That is all. Thank you for watching.